Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fauzan Reza Fahlevi, and now I would like to share my thought about Indonesian culture and its position in modern world. Guys, Indonesia is the one of the most culturally rich countries in the world. We have hundred the traditional dance, 100 clothes, 100 language, so many language, and so many delicious food. However, nowadays, nowadays many young Indonesians and teens and children seem to be more interested in foreign culture, especially they so many of the children like Korean culture, like Western culture or the Japanese culture, and so many the children playing a game uh, and don't play traditional game. They forget about angklung. They forget about the traditional game like takraw or etc. They follow foreign fashion, food, music, and even forget how to speak their local language. And they don't understand their own traditional. For example, some teenager may know K-pop dance but never learn tari saman or tari poco-poco. So this is not entirely wrong because the cultural exchange is the part of globalization, but the problem is when we neglect our own cultures and only focus on others, we start to lose our identity, and slowly our traditional art, language, and values begin to disappear. So that, guys, we need learn our own traditional culture. We can play the traditional game. We can try traditional dance, and we can cook traditional food in our country. And don't forget about it because so many the children forget about it, and they just know about brain rot like tung 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 sahur and something worth like that. So why this happening? I think it's because of modern lifestyle, like education about culture and limited exposure, and the children don't doesn't care about our tradition. In my opinion, we need to balance we need to balance modernization with a cultural perception, and we can still enjoy the global culture. But because if we don't preserve our cultures, who else will? Okay, I think just it from me about the culture. Now uh, I will share my opinion about course speaking, discussing, and debate class. Okay, I think in the public speaking discussion and debate class is very useful and important. Uh, the public speaking discussion and debate class is helped me develop my confidence, especially in speaking English in front of others. Uh, and I think the activities in the class, so the activities in public speaking discussion and debate class is very fun and challenging. I really enjoy it, especially in the debate group discussion because we we could share our opinions and listen to others. That I can show my hobby, I can show my opinion, and I can show my favorite something like a film or the music or a book or etc. or like something like that. Okay, maybe that is from me. Now I think what should with the class, the public speaking discussion and debate have to be better in the future. Okay, in my opinion, to make the class better, I think we should have more practice. I think we should have more practice with the real audience, the real audience who trains people, the people we doesn't know. With the real audience, maybe we can make a mini event or a campus speaking club, and we could also include more creative activities, and we can make some podcast, or we can some make a festival, and we share our speaking to others to make us confident. Okay, maybe just it from me. Sorry, my if my speaking so bad. Uh, okay, that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.